Replace the float bowl of the ice maker. Disconnect the power supply. Remove the back panel. Open the black mainboard cover. Remove the cover fixing screws. Remove the cover. Remove the water pipe fixing plate. Pinch the water pipe clip. Twist and pull out the water pipe. Remove the float bowl. Cut the fixing cable tie. Unplug the float bowl wire end. Pull out the old float bowl. Snap the new float bowl into the slot. Thread the wire end to the back side. Insert the port into the corresponding position on the mainboard. Reinstall the rubber ring. Fasten the cable tie. Reinstall the black cover of the mainboard box. Reinstall the water pipe. Secure the water pipe. Reinstall the top cover and back panel. Reinstall the water flow baffle. Replacement complete.